Men, listen up. If you think you've got everything under control in your relationship, think again. She could be pulling away right under your nose, and you wouldn't even know it until it's too late. Do you feel like she's acting different, but you just can't put your finger on it? You know, those gut feelings that something's wrong, but you convince yourself you're just overthinking? Trust me, you're not. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 clear signs that she could be thinking about cheating, and it might already be happening. If you ignore these signs, you're setting yourself up for heartbreak. Now, let me be real with you. Women don't just wake up one day and decide to cheat. There's always a build-up, a series of changes that you can spot if you're paying attention. And if you catch it early, you might have a chance to stop it before it's too late. But ignore these signs. You're just making it easier for her to walk away. Keep watching if you want to know exactly what to look for. It's going to get uncomfortable, but we're not here to sugarcoat things. Let's get real, because your happiness is on the line. Number 1. Sudden emotional distance. Let's start with emotional distance. Men, this is the one that often goes unnoticed because it's easy to explain away. Maybe she's just tired. Maybe she's stressed out. But let me tell you something. When she's emotionally checked out, it's usually because her feelings are elsewhere. Pay attention when she suddenly stops sharing her thoughts with you, or when she no longer seems interested in how your day went. Does she avoid deep conversations? Does she stop asking you about your future together? That's not just stress. That's emotional withdrawal, and it's one of the biggest red flags out there. Women are emotional creatures, and when they're connected to you, you feel it. But when that connection disappears, there's a reason. You're no longer her priority, and she's either mentally checked out or giving her emotional energy to someone else. She might still be physically present, but emotionally, she's gone. And if you try to talk to her about it and she gets defensive or dismissive, take that as a sign. She's not ready to invest in this relationship anymore, and if you don't act fast, she might be looking for emotional validation elsewhere. Ask yourself, when was the last time you had a real heart-to-heart conversation? If you can't remember, you've already lost her emotionally. Number 2, increased privacy with phone and social media. Now, this one's going to sting, but we have to talk about her phone. Increased privacy around her phone or social media is a massive red flag. Let me ask you this. Was she once open with her phone? Did she leave it on the table, face up, and didn't care who saw it? But now, suddenly, she's clutching it like her life depends on it, tilting the screen away, turning off notifications, or worst of all, changing her password. Guys, that's not just a coincidence. It's secrecy, plain and simple. You need to ask yourself, who is she hiding? Women don't suddenly become protective of their phone unless there's something on it they don't want you to see. And sure, she'll tell you, it's just privacy. Everyone deserves that. And yes, that's true. But when privacy turns into secrecy, that's when you should be concerned. If you're in a healthy relationship, there's no need to hide. So if she's suddenly acting like her phone is off limits, chances are she's either talking to someone else, or worse, already emotionally cheating. Here's a practical step you can take right now. Instead of accusing her outright, just ask her casually, "Hey, why have you been so private with your phone lately? It's making me feel uneasy." Watch her reaction. If she gets defensive, deflects, or accuses you of being paranoid, you might already have your answer. Number 3. Unexplained schedule changes. Has she suddenly become super busy, like working late every night, weekend plans that don't include you, and new commitments that seem to come out of nowhere? Let me tell you something. People don't just change their schedule like that unless something's up. If she's got new activities that don't involve you and can't explain why she's suddenly so unavailable, That's a massive red flag. I know what you're thinking, but she's working hard, right? She's probably stressed with work or needs time with her friends. Sure, that's possible, but here's the truth. If she's going out more and more without you, and you've noticed a pattern where you're no longer part of her plans, that's a warning sign. When was the last time she invited you to join her? Or made plans with you first? Exactly. This shift in behavior means she's either looking for distractions or she's got someone else taking up her time. Here's what you can do. Sit down with her and calmly ask, "I've noticed you've been spending more time out without me. Is everything okay?" If she brushes you off, says you're overreacting, or gets annoyed that you're asking, there's something she's not telling you. You deserve to know where you stand, so don't ignore it. Number 4, new appearance and hobbies. This one's tricky because people do change, right? But when she starts picking up new hobbies, dressing differently, or getting way more concerned about her looks than usual, especially if this all happens suddenly, that's not just personal growth. It could be a sign she's trying to impress someone else. Think about it. If she's always been casual, not super into her appearance, but now, out of the blue, she's hitting the gym 5 times a week, buying new outfits, and spending way more time on her hair and makeup, you've got to ask yourself, who is this for? If you're not the one she's trying to impress, there's someone else. I know it sounds harsh, but this is real talk. A woman doesn't just overhaul her look for no reason. Here's what you need to do. Compliment her on the changes, but pay attention to how she reacts. If she brushes off your compliments, seems more excited about going out looking her best without you, or gets defensive when you ask about it, there's something going on. Trust your gut on this one, because it never lies. Number 5, avoiding future commitments. Finally, let's talk about future commitments. If she's dodging conversations about the future, whether it's a trip, moving in together, or even talking about marriage, that's a huge red flag. If she used to be excited about planning your future together, but now she seems uninterested or avoids the topic, you've got to ask why. Here's the harsh truth. If she's not thinking about a future with you, she's probably thinking about one without you. She might not say it, but if she's not talking about where your relationship is going, it's because she doesn't see one. If you've been talking about that summer vacation or making bigger plans like getting a place together, and she keeps pushing it off, it's because she doesn't want to commit. Maybe she's unsure, or maybe she's already mentally checked out of the relationship and doesn't know how to tell you. The best thing you can do here is be upfront. Ask her directly, "Why do you seem hesitant about our future together?" Don't let her brush it off. You deserve to know where you stand, and if she's not planning a future with you, then it's time to have a serious talk about what that means. So, there you have it. 5 clear signs that she might be thinking about cheating. Now listen closely. None of these signs on their own confirm she's cheating, but if you're seeing more than one of these changes, don't ignore them. The worst thing you can do is let it slide and hope things will get better on their own. Take action, have those tough conversations, and don't be afraid to ask the hard questions. Trust your gut, men. If something feels off, it probably is. And whatever you do, don't wait until it's too late to address it. Protect yourself and your relationship by staying aware. Have you noticed any of these signs? What did you do about it? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We're bringing you more real talk like this every week to help you navigate the ups and downs of your relationships. Stay strong, stay informed, and stay ahead.